Are you still using SQL command line tool to manage your database and looking for a user-friendly GUI to interact with SQL Server database? Hi, this is Krupali from Know How Academy. So let's start with me. In this video, we are going to see why SSMS is needed, how to install SSMS, connect to SQL Server via SSMS, and walk through SSMS environment. SSMS is needed to interact more user-friendly way to communicate with SQL Server. Let's see how to install SSMS. For that, you need to search for SSMS download in your browser. Click on the first link and scroll down a little bit and click on free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Wait until it's download, then double click on it and the screen will appear, and then click on install on that. After installation, you need to search SSMS in your start button and then open it. And here you need to write dot to connect it. Dot means connect to the local host. Here the SSMS is connected to SQL Server. Then here you will able to see some different menu which is available. Here notepad like screen will appear when you click on new query section. In the drop down you will able to see the available database in SQL Server. These are the 4 default database right now available. Here this is a system database folder. There are 4 different databases are there. This is called default database. Once you click on master DB, then you will able to see some several tables under this system database. You will able to see it. Same way you can do for model, MSDB and TempDB. Here in above you can click on disconnect to connect it and again click on connect to the SQL Server. Here these are the several authentication mode: Windows authentication, SQL Server authentication, Azure. Right now we are using Windows authentication mode. Then here this is called save and save all option. So save will use to create a save file whatever you have written in this notepad screen. By clicking on new query, you will able to see a second notepad like screen. So you can open several notepad like screen. You can go to the file and open it from here also, whatever file you have already saved. You can add, you can close it also, and you can close it from here by clicking on cross sign. Thank you for choosing Know How Academy as your source of IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out us. It has been a pleasure to share this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.